Lingua Center is very famous in Bhagalpur and it's been running for so many years. So what are the achievements of this center? Can you put some lights on it, sir?
Thank you, Vikasji. Hi, good morning, everybody. This Lingua Center was started in 1991. I started it thinking that the spoken English course should be taught to the children here at Bhagalpur. So it has been running since then. When I started it, there was no coaching institution at Bhagalpur. And I was putting my career in this field. So I was a bit afraid. But later on, when students started flocking to Lingua Center, I got pleasure. I taught them. And so far, more than 2 lakhs students came and many of them have learned, many of them have made their career. Many students of Lingua Center are working with the different companies, with the schools and colleges and at different places, and they are enjoying their life. So just seeing these all, I get pleasure, and now I have devoted myself, I dedicated my life to the students of Bhagalpur. I thought that I should be doing this up to my last breath. So this is my achievement, that many students have got their dream come true and they are enjoying their life. Like Vikasji, you are also one of them, and like you, there are thousands of residents from Bhagalpur or surrounding areas. They came, they learned, and they are doing better. Many students are also running a spoken English institutions, and they are also mine. Not only at Bhagalpur, they are running at different places. Some students are running at Ambala, some are at Churu, in Jaipur, in Kolkata, in Bhubaneswar, at different places. Even they have also invited me, please come here, you will be getting good number of students. But now I have said them no. I have now decided to be here at Bhagalpur. I should be here shaping and sharpen the talent of the students of Bhagalpur Valley. So this is the achievement that I am getting pleasure out of my teaching, and they are also getting very good outcome. So this is all about my saying. Still, the importance of English can't be ignored, can't be overlooked. This is very important, and this is the first language of the world, and this is the second language of India. So without learning English, without knowing English, no one can suppose to be true Indian, in my opinion. Only learning Hindi, I know, I also I respect Hindi or Hindi speakers, they no problem at all. But the problem is with them. If they don't know English, they'll be getting problems. They'll have to fight at different places, and many times they have to give in, they have to surrender if they don't know English. So English knowing is very important today, whether we are in Bihar or in other states or anywhere in the world, everywhere, even in our own house. So suppose television, just we are watching, so we can watch everything there. But many times we switch over the channel thinking that this channel I'm not getting, what the speaker is speaking over there I'm not getting. So as soon as we switch over the channel, it means lacuna is with us. So English, the English is very important everywhere, in every nook and cranny in the world.
So, what is suggestion in all the new students?
My suggestion to them that join Lingua Center or join any coaching institution wherever they are, but try to be regular. If they are regular, they learn. Many students come here and they query, and querying they go back. They don't turn up, thinking that they may not learn. They suspect themselves. So no need to doubt or suspect. They should believe in their teachers, and they come regularly in time, and they will be learning something or the other. Here I also give my priority, only that be regular and will be learning. Even I don't take any entrance test. Whoever comes, I get their admission and just we start teaching. But if they are regular, they are getting something. If they are not regular, because their spoken English is quite new for them. So if they are regular, only then they will be learning. Otherwise, there is no outcome.
So, thank you so much, sir. You're talking with Social Global News.
Thank you. I am paying thanks to Social Global News, and I wish this channel my best.